Hello, today we're going to go over the supervision note component of Clinical Notes AI. So we would go on our document form, click supervision note, and then we can do a live session. So we could do it concurrently while we meet with our supervisee in session for supervision, or we could dictate it after, or create it from another note or document that we already have. For today, we're going to go over live session. So we'll click that. If you're doing a telehealth session, go ahead and click this button and then share the tab that the telehealth supervision is on. For the demonstration, we'll just go ahead and start our session. You would start it, and then you would talk with your supervisee as normal through supervision, go through your clients, the treatment plans, assessments, the progress, any countertransference issues or transference issues that may come up or barriers to treatment. And when you're done with that, we would go ahead and click finish at the end of our supervision session. Clinical Notes AI then takes the audio and transcribes it into a supervision note. So we're going to look at one that we already had. So on the supervision note, you can see the date it was done, the name of the supervisee, and for intents and purposes, all names were redacted. We can say what type of supervision it is, individual, didactic, or group, what type of focus we had in supervision, so case consultation, document review, review of supervision goals. You can also choose duties, responsibilities if you directly observe your supervisee. And then it goes ahead and talks about client diagnostic information. If you discuss more than one client, that will be in here as well. The client we talked about is a 13-year-old. Any cultural issues that are affecting the client. Any setbacks or improvements since last session. Treatment plan review for the client. Any risk, any suicidal ideation, homicidal plan, means, intent. Any ongoing things we need to be aware of, legal and ethical, right, in supervision. Specific questions or concerns, diagnosis or treatment approaches. So in this session, you can see we discussed countertransference with the supervisee. And then summarizing the actions that we're able to take. And this creates a great plan for a supervisor so that we can go between supervisees and remember what to follow up on, and also help them remember so they can progress along their goal of getting licensed. And then a summary of our supervision. It also timestamps it for you so you can see how long the supervision went, and also backup documentation to those hours that we bill and sign off for supervision. I hope you enjoyed learning about the clinical supervision note from Clinical Notes AI and find it as beneficial as I do in my practice. Look forward to seeing you all soon to learn more about what Clinical Notes AI can do for you. Have a good day.